all this rubbish. I am dumping at the city, Waterfalls City Hall. This is a message to my councilor and the mayor, town clerk, that if I don't see a refuse truck coming to collect refuse in my neighborhood within the month, I am coming to dump this by townhouse. All this. Right now I'm being nice. Next time I'll just dump it. Next time I'll dump it right at townhouse or in the car park. Tired of digging holes in our houses. Tired of paying for refuse collection, and yet I've not seen a dump truck in the past 15 years. So now I've just been nice. They've shown me where to dump it at the offices. Next time I'll leave it in the car park, and the next time I'll leave it, I'm coming to townhouse. So this is a message to you, mayor, town clerk, and my councillor Stanley. Good day.